Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create mask layer video editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed this VN Video Editor app on your mobile phone. And then we're going to click on new project to start creating new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based, select save. Okay, and for the video, I'm just going to choose video from my download album. Okay, for example, I'm going to select wait guys, I'm going to select this video. Click on next to import the video to our VN project, and I'm going to add overlay. So here I'm going to click on this PIP menu, okay, and select photos or videos. And for the second video, I'm going to choose from this folder or this album, and then I'm going to use this video. Okay, and then I'm going to click on fit button to fit the screen, and then we're going to go to the mask menu. Scroll all the way to the right until you find this mask menu. Tap on that and you're going to choose linear mask. And wait, let me rotate the mask like this. Oops, okay. And then I'm going to adjust the feather. Okay, I'm going to blend it with my video. Okay, and it will create something like this. That's so cool, right? And to make it more natural, you can use blending option as well right here. Select blending and you can select darken, multiply, or color burn, or lighten. And wait, let me choose the best blending mode for this video. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with darken. Okay, and this is the final looks. Hey, that's so cool. You can use this editing to replace the sky in your video, or you can create like memory video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create mask layer video editing in a VN Video Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.